Hi there, this is Jackie Tan, and I'm going to show you how to make your first circuit using the littleBits STEAM student set. You'll find on the back of your booklet that there's a guide to all the bits that are available, and it also shows which pocket they go in at the end when you're finished. So every circuit starts with power, and the power bits are the blue bits. Here I have the P3 power bit. It's the USB power bit, and it has a micro USB jack on the end. You simply take a USB cord, plug it into the end. Sometimes it's a firm fit, so just wiggle it into place. And once that's connected, you can hook the USB power to any power source, including a wall plug, your computer, or a rechargeable battery. For the demonstration today, I'm going to use the 9-volt system. That will be using the P1 power bit and the 9-volt cord connected to a 9-volt battery, like so. Plug it in the end. And when you turn the power on, you should get a red light. It looks white in the video, but that is glowing red. Okay, I'm going to power it off right now. So all circuits start with your blue power bit. After your power bit, we can directly connect an output bit, which are the green bits. You'll notice that they just snap together automatically because I had them facing in the right direction. The way littleBits work is if your bits are upside down, they won't connect up. If they're backwards, upside down, they won't connect. And if they're backwards in the right side up orientation, they still won't connect. There's only one way to connect your bits, and that is how they'll connect automatically. You can tell the front of your bits. If you look closely, you'll see printed P1 power and O2 long LED written on the front. You can recognize the back of your bits when you flip them over. If you see a whole bunch of silver dots, those are the solder joints, and that is the back of your bits. So always assemble your bits with the printed surface up. Now that my bit is connected, I can power on, and you'll see that the LED glows. If you were to disconnect your bits, simply pull the magnets apart, and we no longer have a complete circuit, so we don't have light anymore. I'm going to introduce you to the pink bits. The pink bits are input bits. That allows humans to interface with the circuit that you create. I'm going to use first the I3 button bit. And again, if I hook it backwards, it won't connect properly. And if I hook it correctly, it should just snap together. And then I'm going to go ahead and hook the green O2 output bit on the end. I have power coming in from my power bit. Now, just with a button push, I should be able to control this LED. Boom, there you go. Press to turn on, release to turn off. And that is your button bit. So we have a power bit, a pink input bit, and a green output bit. You can explore in the box and check out all the different input bits. I'm going to demonstrate one more for you. Disconnect my output, disconnect my button bit, and I'm going to try the I5 slide dimmer input bit. Connect up my long LED, and then my power's on, and then this works like a dimmer switch, like on a wall, and it will dim the LED light to bright, low to bright. Okay, so that is another input bit. There's one other color of bit in your case, and that is the orange bits. The orange bits are wire bits. They're not input, they're not output. They just simply serve as extension wires. Consider that you have an invention and you want to get the LED located somewhere else in the invention. You can connect it with a wire bit, and now you have a flexible connection where you can then locate the light anywhere in your invention that you'd like to place it. So the wire bits are not essential, but they will give you some portability. Now this one didn't snap in completely. There, that's seated in a little bit better. I recommend that you build all of your circuits on the tray, and that will keep your bits from falling on the floor. They tend to get stepped on. I also recommend that when you build your bits, build them flat on the table. Sometimes people try and build them up in the air, and then sometimes the magnets just sort of collapse and fall apart. If you build on a flat surface, you'll have a lot more success. And that wire bit didn't want to connect in all the way either, so I just clicked it in all the way. All right, so that was a quick introduction to power bits, blue, input bits, pink, output bits, green, and wire bits, orange. Go ahead and explore the different bits in your case and let me know if you have any questions. And thank you for following me with Little Bit STEAM Student Set. Have a good time.